I hope you all will be remembering yesterday's class, which was all about the introduction related to data handling chapter. And in yesterday's class, I have discussed about two topics: what is pictograph and what is telemark representation. So in pictograph, if you will be remembering, I have taught that when the data is represented in the form of pictures, that we call that collection of data pictograph. Okay, that we have done it yesterday. Then we can, one more way is there to represent the data, that is using telemark. That is also discussed by me yesterday only. So today we will be doing two questions. One will be related to telemark, or maybe two questions will be related to telemark, and one more question related to pictograph today. Okay. So there is a question which I am giving you on the board here is that there are various subjects which are written over here. Okay, different subjects are written over here, and in front of that you can see that it is written here number of students, and another column which we will make it, that is telemark. तो सबसे पहले याद रखिए सब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पे, and second one is number of student. Then why I have written number of student here? Now you must be knowing हर बच्चे को हर सब्जेक्ट पसंद नहीं होता. ठीक है, each student does not like each subject. Like some of the students like mathematics only, some of the students like English, some of the students like Hindi very much, some of the students like Sanskrit very much. So just as per your interest in which subject you like most, यहाँ पर आपको बेटा you have to name one subject or two subject only which you like most. ठीक है, तो आप priority wise किसको ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं, that you have to main particularly decide that. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले I would request every one of you to just raise your hand. How many of you like English? Please raise your hand. Okay, so always remember how many times a data is repeating, a data is occurring that time, that is known as frequency of that data. For example, English is liked by 3 students, so frequency of English subject is 3 only. Okay, now I would request the student who like Hindi subject, please raise your hand. Now, as per your interest, I have made this table. As per your interest only, I have made this table, and you can see on this table there are various kind of subjects are written, and as per the student's interest, which subject is taken the favorite subject, as it is mentioned here one by one. Up, what is the next one? That is telemark. So now you have to represent this frequency which is written here now. So you have to represent this frequency on another side of the column, that is telemark. So what we'll do, we'll represent this same data onto the telemark in the form of tele representation. How will we do that now? 3, 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay. Now moving on to 7, that is Hindi. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 and 7. I taught you yesterday how to represent it, है ना? So ये हो गया 7. 5 का group and then 2, it will be 7. Now maths 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, now this is 15 lines. 15 representation we have done it now. Now moving on to science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done now. Now moving on to SST 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kashish, I have seen your video, the message. I will reply you later. Huh? Now GK 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now computer science 1, 2, only 2. Discussing here that while cutting, please take care of this thing, that you cannot cut one this side and another this side. The main thing is that you have to make the group of 5, 5. Okay, so that you can easily calculate all the number which are written in the form of group. Okay, So this was all about the table which was representing the subject as per your interest. Different subjects were shown using telemark. Now I have some question using this telemark. Please reply in the chat box. Is very easy to understand because here we use pictures to represent the data. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to discuss how many number of girls and how many number of boys are present in different sections. Okay. So we are going to have the data as per the number of students present in the class. Okay. So let's write it down the data as per the sections now. In it here that number of girls in particular sections like 6A में 14 girls हैं, 6B में 18 है, 6C में 11 girls है, 7C में 23 है, 7B में 12 है, 7C में 8. अब अगर आप इसको गौर से देखोगे बेटा तो इस डेटा में देयर आर सम इवन नंबर एंड देयर आर सम ऑड नंबर एज वेल. ठीक है. और अगर गौर से आप चेक करो तो यहाँ पर जनरली नंबर्स इवन में है. 14 है, 18 है, 12 है एंड 8 है. 4 नंबर्स आर इन दैट केस. अगर मैं एक पिक्चर को 2 गर्ल्स के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करूं तो आई थिंक आई हैव टू ड्रॉ लेस अमाउंट ऑफ गर्ल्स, लेस अमाउंट ऑफ पिक्चर्स. ठीक है. so for that case I can take one picture representing 2. ठीक है. like if I am drawing one girl picture, I am rubbing this portion above one. ठीक है. I am rubbing this one. Now here that is very necessary. ये show करना बहुत जरूरी है बेटा. Scale. Now remember for scale I am taking one picture. ठीक है. One picture I am taking. ठीक है. And this is the pony of girl for representing that she is a girl. ठीक है. So this is according to me this is a girl here. So if I will be representing one picture, that means I am showing 2 girls at a time. ठीक है. So if I am representing one picture, it means that I am representing 2 girls. And why I am choosing 2 girls? Because if you will see that most of the numbers are in even cases. ठीक है. हर number most of them are in even case. और अगर मुझे odd चाहिए है तो I'll just take it out the half picture. तो हाफ पिक्चर कैसे लेंगे इस लड़की की भाई? हम लोगों को उसको आधा काटना पड़ेगा. इस लड़की को कैसे काटेंगे? आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू यू दिस. इसको आधा सर कर दिया मैंने तो एक आंख दिखेगी, आधी नाक दिखेगी और आधा मुंह दिखेगा. ठीक है. और दिस इज देयर एक हाथ एक पैर. तो दिस इज वन. एक चोटी. इज इट ओके नाउ? आई थिंक one full picture will represent 2 girls, whereas one half picture will represent one number of girls. Okay. So now let us represent this data. I would request everyone to draw now. Now you can see on the board I have represented in the form of pictures. 7th A were already given here 14, so I have taken the 7 pictures, complete 7 pictures. Same thing 6th B mein I took it 9 complete pictures because the number of girls were 18. The same way 6C mein I took it 11, the numbers were given 11, so I took it 5 complete pictures and half of the one picture, because half means because there was 11 students. So it's the same way you will complete the whole table, that 6A section, 6B, 6C. जैसे हम लोगों ने किया है वैसे ही आपको 7th A, 7th B and 7C भी करना है. This is only called the pictograph representation.